am Gantimadi from Arasamagan Computer Education. Today I am going to explain constants, variables and keywords in C. A constant is a named memory location which is temporarily stores data that remains the same throughout the execution of the program. So once a constant is declared, we can't change throughout the execution of the program. A variable is a named memory location which temporarily stores data that can change while the program is running. So once the value of the variable is declared, we can change the value of that variable. Keywords are the words whose meaning is already explained to the compiler. They cannot be used as a variable name. So the keywords are called reserved words. So what is the meaning? The function of that particular word is reserved by the C compiler, so that the keywords are also called reserved words. There are only 32 keywords available in C. In future videos, I will explain the function of all the keywords. So in this example, 3x plus 2y is equal to 20. 3, 2 and 20 cannot change. They are called constants. X and y can vary or change. They are called variable. So here 3, 2 and 20 in the program execution, we can't change the value of 3, 2 and 20. So they are called constants. X and y can vary. We can change the value of that x and y. So they are called the variables. Then types of C constants. C constants can be divided into two major categories: primary constants, secondary constants. Under the primary constants, integer constant, real constant, character constant. Under the secondary constants, array, pointer, structure, union, enum, etc. So today I will explain primary constants. In future videos, I will explain the secondary constant. Rules for constructing integer constant. Integer constant must have at least one digit. It must not have a decimal point. It could be either positive or negative. If no sign precedes on integer constant, it is assumed to be positive. No commas or blanks are allowed within an integer constant. The allowable range for integer constant is minus 327682 plus 32767. So these are called the valid integer constant. Here no sign is mentioned, so it is assumed to be a positive integer constant. These are called the invalid integer constant because the first two numbers comma is mentioned, so it is invalid integer constant. The third, 4, 5, space 6, 7. So here no blank, here blank space is mentioned. So this is called a invalid integer constant. Rules for constructing real constant. Real constants are often called floating point constants. Real constants could be written in two forms: fractional form and exponential form. Rules of constructing real constant. A real constant must have at least one digit. It must have a decimal point. It could be either positive or negative. Default sign is positive. No commas or blanks are allowed within a real constant. Valid real constant 356.34, 426.0. So in this real constant, no sign is mentioned, so it is a positive real constant. Rules for constructing character constant. A character constant is either a single alphabet, a single digit, or a single special symbol enclosed within a single inverted commas. So in C, anything is considered as a character. It is an alphabet or digit or any special symbol. Everything is enclosed within a single inverted commas. And then the maximum length of a character constant can be one character. So more than one character, that is considered as a invalid character constant. next chapter we will see the next videos. Thank you.